All right, let's get serious for a second. There's a lot of fake TikTok traders, there's a lot of fake YouTube traders and influencers out there. I'm not one of them. I understand that that's a lot easier to say than it is to prove, but not for me. Okay, let's just take a quick look at this tab up here. We got the BTC uptrend, right? This was done on 8/1/2022. As you can see, this is posted on TradingView and it's locked. I can't edit it, I can't change it. The only thing we can do is come back and revisit it, right? Now, if you scroll down here, it says BTC 1 day uptrend and it shows the support lines as of 8/1/2022. These are your support lines. We were in an upward trend. Upward trends usually break down bearish, but let's go ahead and see how this plays out. So as you can see, we did break down bearish from this upward trend. We did hold my support lines. We did actually make a move down here I was not expecting whatsoever. But then we came back up here, and we've been holding these lines as support. These lines have been here for quite some time, and I've been calling a lot of moves based on these lines. Just remember the date on this. This was 8/1, August 1st. Let's move on to the next tab. All right, so here we go. April 14th, 2023, weekly BTC chart. Potential track to 35K. If you look, we're still in this upward channel that was made on the previous chart. And if you go down here, 414, potential track to 35K. We are currently in an upward trend channel. Breaking this channel will cause a retest of the red lines. We could follow this channel all the way to 35K before hitting serious resistance, but I'm expecting a pullback either here or at 32,500. Okay, so here we go. Here was 30,400. Okay, this was after we had already peaked at the 31,000 level. All right, let's just take a look. I'm going to press this play button. Once again, this was posted on April 14th. Let's take a look and see how this one played out. Boom. So we came down, broke the channel. We used the red lines as support and resistance. Now, these are weekly charts, so a lot of movement happens in a week. It wasn't just this simple looking if you dive into it a little deeper, but you can see we used these, came down below these levels, became resistance, tried to use it for support, came down to this level right here, finally held the support, started moving up, broke this level. You can see, I'm not going to go over the whole thing, but these levels played out a lot, okay? So once again, this was April 14th. Bitcoin was sitting at $30,000. It dropped all the way down to 24,000 after that. Next, here we go, back in February 24th, okay? I say Bitcoin, huge move upcoming in March. Bottom is in. The pattern is way too similar. Expect a move at least to 28K. Here we were at that time. We were sitting at about 23,000. So if I press this play button, you can see since then we have moved up. We passed the 28K. We did have some resistance there, though. It brought us back down. We struggled with it for quite some time. It was a very important level that we stayed at. Once we finally broke it, we were able to move up here. And look where this is, guys. This is this is the resistance that we're fighting right now. So what do I think is going to happen next? Well, I'm hoping, because I didn't stack as much sats as I wanted to stack, that we get rejected from here and we come back down to this level again, maybe hit 30, 31. There's other charts. I mean, again, this chart was made February 24th. So I have some updated charts. But if you want the updated information, just please give me a follow. I don't make any money from this. I make all my money on my trading. Obviously, I'm doing a pretty good job. But I just like, putting this information out there for everybody. Have a good night. Thanks for staying for the whole video if you did. And if you do follow, share this video, man, because it's just a shame how accurate I am and how little bit of followers I have. Would you believe I only have 50 subscribers on YouTube? 50.